SCAT stock analysis and SCAT stock prediction for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only persona in this space has done actually 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's printing and making me money and what's not. I mean, genuinely speaking, this is having done 43,000 videos, it's not small. And just observing this, it's a nice bullish thing, you know, it's a nice bullish pump just on Tuesday, which was yesterday. But to be very real with you, if this is not going to be a bearish, for me to be bullish, this must break with a full-on candle close on that daily chart above $2. And it's crucial. If it doesn't break that, then I'm not bullish whatsoever. Since it's kind of entering a supply zone, in a very real way, if there is a double break, I'm willing to take it down. You know what I mean? So all I'll be doing here in the meantime is just waiting for rules. SCAT. I don't know what the heck that was, but if not much receipts in the Discord, but if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.